Hey, welcome back to Between the Keys. Hopefully that camera is stable. Looks like it's stabilizing. All right, this is As by Stevie Wonder. This song starts on a B major chord, B major 7. There it is. Of course, you can play it in different places. You could start it on the major 7 or even on the 5. Play it in the middle there. I'm going to play it root position down here. That's what he sings at the start, and it's B major 7 to B dominant 7, so just one note different. And then E major 7. Again, you could play it root position, but I just put these top 2 notes at the bottom, B and the D sharp. So, oops, that goes around twice, and then we come in with the verse, which is as around the sun the earth knows she's revolving. Same 3 chords, and again, and the rosebuds know to bloom in early May. Now we go to A major 7. Back to the B. Just as hate knows love's the cure, you can rest your mind assured that I'll be loving you always. Now what did I play there? That was too fast, I guess, for some of you. We play just as hate knows love's the cure, B major to B7. You can rest your mind assured, that's E major there. We went to G sharp minor 7, that G sharp minor 7. Play it an octave up if it's easy to see. That I'll be loving you, that's B flat minor or A sharp. You could put the 7 on if you want. That I'll be loving you, and that's dominant 7 on E flat or D sharp. Dominant 7. So I'll be loving you always. Back to the G sharp minor. That I'll be loving you always. Then it goes minor 7, minor 6, just a 1 note difference. Ba-da. C sharp minor 7, ba, and F sharp 7, ba. Na, na, da, 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 da. But you could play the 13. A nice jazz chord there for you. E, G sharp, A sharp, D sharp, which is F sharp 7 with a added 6 or 13 on top, which would sound like this. That I'll be loving you always. You see, it sounds beautiful there. And we go back to the verse. And now can reveal the mystery of tomorrow, as now can reveal the mystery of tomorrow. Back to the B. But in passing we'll grow older every day. Down to the A. Back to the B. Just as all is gone is new. Do know what I say is true. That I'll be loving you always until the rainbow burns stars out in the sky. And we're into the chorus. We had the I'll be loving you again. I'll G sharp minor, be loving you. A sharp minor to the D sharp 7. Always back to the G sharp minor. That I'll be loving you always until the rainbow burns stars out in the sky. That is G sharp minor 7, D sharp 7 again, B major, out in the sky, to C sharp major again. But that second chord, that D sharp 7, is over an A sharp in the bass. So the bass is going G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp. Until the dream of life and life becomes the day. And on that 4th time we change chord to an F dominant 7 with a 9 on top, so F9. And I'm playing F in the bass. Day, day, day. And try to find the melody note if you can. Until the dream of life and life becomes the day. What's that melody there? It's actually the 9, the G. That's what you sing. And then we go down to E major 7 for the bridge. Did you know that true love asks for nothing? And that's pretty high for me, so I'll sing it down the octave. Did you know that true love asks for nothing? We're going to go E major 7 to B major 7. Her acceptance is the only way, and that's D major. You can actually play major 9 if you like. Her acceptance is the only way. Did you know that life has given love a guarantee? We went E major to B major again that time. And now C sharp minor 7. To last through forever and a day. And we have some more hits here which goes. But some of those chords you've seen before. To last through forever. Again, that's C sharp minor 7. I'm just playing it down here, starting on the 5th. 5, 7, 1, 3. Alright. To last through forever and a day. C sharp with a D sharp in the bass. C sharp major. Then same bass note, but we change to the D sharp dominant 7 again. Then we've got C sharp minor 9, and then the F sharp 13 again, which we saw before. So it goes bum, bum, minor 9, bum, on C sharp, F sharp, dominant 7. One more time, C sharp major over D sharp in the bass, D sharp dominant 7, C sharp minor 9, and F sharp 13. And we go back to the verse, just as time knew to move on since the beginning. Those 3 chords round again. We actually have 2 verses, and we've already covered the verse, so I won't do both. I'll just do the final verse. For I know deep in my mind the love of me that's left behind. 'Cause I'll be loving you always. Back to the chorus. Until the day's night and night becomes day. Until the trees and sea just stop and fly away. Until the day that 8 times 8 times 8 is 4. Until the day that is the day that I'm no more. Until the day the earth stops turning right to left. Until the earth just falls aside and has itself. Until the mother nature says our work is through. Until the day that you are me and I in you. Yeah. Until the rainbow burns and stars out in the sky. G sharp minor, D sharp 7, B major, C sharp major. Do you know I'm loving you forever? Some ad-libs from Stevie Wonder, and some soloing. For the soloing, you could go around the chords and just jam. You could do some G sharp minor blues, and the blues scale on G sharp minor, or G sharp, is G sharp, D, C sharp, D, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp. So you go second finger, thumb. I need to blow my nose, I've got a stuffy nose today. Second finger, thumb. Second finger, thumb, second finger, middle finger, fourth finger. There it is. So get that under your fingers if you want to solo on this song. And we can do the chords underneath if you like. So to reach over there to play the chords in case I knock the camera over, but you get the idea. That is how to play As by Stevie Wonder, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next one. I'm covering more Stevie, I'm covering more Michael Jackson, and I'm going to do some of the Stranglers hits. I already covered one, very popular one on the channel called Golden Brown. Check that one out if you haven't. And there's a few more. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this one, and check out the Roland FP-30X piano in the description and the pinned comment if you haven't got one already. My other music gear is also there, and those affiliate links will support the channel, See you in the next video. Cheers.